Well, good morning everyone. It's late July 2020 and I've got a new project here that we're going to be working on. This is going to be probably a multi-part video. What we've got is a pasture about 2 acres that I want to renovate. So here's a little bit of backstory. Over here we've got some nice bales. This is all brome grass. This was baled 2 days ago, but you see over here they did not cut and bale this, and the reason being is that it's mostly weeds. I tried to replant this in the spring, but the weeds took over before the grass could, so we get all this foxtail, which is a grass, but horses don't like eating any of that. So what I'm gonna do is try to renovate this pasture. So this is going to be a multi-step process. Step 1 is going to be to mow all that grass. Step 2, we're going to throw some Roundup on it to kill everything. Step 3, we're going to get out the disc and disc it up. Step 4, we're going to plant a brome alfalfa mix. 5% alfalfa mixed in there. It gives it a little bit more yield. And then we're shooting to plant on September 1st or somewhere around on that time. Oh, there's the puppies. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? You're checking the drain tile for any blockages, or you're eating grass? So here's what we're going to be using to mow today. We've got a Kubota L3901. We've got a rotary cutter. What brand this is, I don't know. I bought this from my grandpa's auction, so it works pretty well. It might be a little big for the Kubota, but we'll see how it does. Let's give it a shot. Okay, we got some of the mowing done. Got just about, we probably mowed just under an acre there out of the 2 acres. I'm gonna get some glyphosate Roundup and we're gonna kill all this. After we do that, we'll hook up the disc and we'll till all this material in. Then we'll put a seeder on. We're not gonna drill it, we're just gonna broadcast it. We'll put that on and get some new fresh grass growing here. So I'm going to finish mowing and then I'll run to the store and get some Roundup and we'll apply it here on the next video. Thanks for watching.